Hi, I'm Omar Hamoui, founder and CEO of AdMob, and I'm excited to be talking to you today about AdMob Mobile Analytics. This is a product that we're particularly happy to launch. It's something that we feel has been a missing element in mobile for a long time, and we're really hopeful that this is going to be able to solve some interesting problems for a lot of people. Over the years of running our business, we've gotten particularly good at taking a hard look at tons of data and very good at identifying things like device and operator and user. And we feel like this is going to be an opportunity for us to give that kind of capability back to everybody who's operating in the mobile web. And towards that end, we've made this product free, we've made it easy to use, and we've most importantly made it available to everybody. You don't have to be one of our publishers or advertisers or really have anything to do with us in order to use this product. Really what we're hoping is that by giving open access to everybody, we're going to provide much better decision metrics for the mobile web, and we're going to hopefully help the mobile web to grow and improve. And that's really our intention here. As a company involved in mobile, as the mobile web goes, so goes AdMob, and we're certainly interested in making sure that everything is proceeding as well as possible. So let's take a quick look at the product. I'm not going to have a chance to dive into everything. It is a really deep product, but I will try and highlight some of the relevant areas. This is the dashboard, and the dashboard gives you a quick view on terms of page views, visits, page views per visit, as well as average time spent. You can also take a quick look at what are your top 5 content URLs, the events that are happening on your site, the keywords that are leading people to your site, as well as the sources of traffic. Is it direct? Is it search? Is it coming from advertising or referrals? You can dive into any of these areas in much greater detail. So in terms of visitors, I could dive in and take a look at visits. I could take a look at unique visitors here. I can take a look at engagement. How long are they spending on my site? How many pages are they consuming? I can go into things like the operators that they're coming from, device details. So I'll go ahead and just dive into that really quickly. On the device side, if I click model here, I will get a report on every single model of device that has visited my site. And in terms of the depth, you can see there's 85 pages of these models. And if I pick one at random, so let's pick the Sony Ericsson Z550, I would actually get daily statistics from that one device. I can take a look at traffic sources, and I can take a look at an overview. Is it coming direct? Is it a referral? Is it coming from a search engine or advertising? And once again, I can get more depth on this. So if I wanted to know more about search engines, I could click here and I could see which search engines are sending me the most traffic. In this case, it's Google. If I wanted to know more about advertising, I could dive in and find out which of my campaigns are really working the best. Are they the ones that I'm running on Google, the ones that I'm running on AdMob, or the ones that I'm running somewhere else? And essentially, the last bit, which is really important, is what are users doing on my site? So I can dive into events here, and I can take a look at how many of the users are searching, how many of them are registering, how many of them are actually interacting with my site the way I want. And all this is, of course, configurable by any site, and the events can be custom built and defined for your site. So it's a really exciting product, and we're hoping that the data it provides is really going to help to change and make better decisions in the mobile web. We certainly hope you'll sign up and give it a try. Thanks.